So it's day 5 of Metal Days. Today I'm a bit tired, so I'll show you a couple of clips of random things people do for fun around here. I've been gathering all these shots all week, so I hope you guys enjoy. Check this out, guys. 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
What's up now? My name is Guido, and you?
Yeah, I'm Uroš, and where are you from?
From Germany.
From Germany, okay, so I'm from Slovenia.
I'm from Slovenia?
Yeah.
Hey, the first man I met here from Slovenia.
Oh, really?
Nice to meet you. Yeah, really.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
French people, Dutch people, German people, English people.
Mostly German.
Denmark, Sweden.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you something. Do you enjoy it here?
Yes, I really do.
Yeah? What's the best part?
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, the nature.
Everything. The nature, the look.
Yeah.
Look around, the river.
Yeah.
It's cold, but it's it's fine.
Yeah.
And I really like. It's not so huge.
Yeah.
Next week I will be in Wacken. You know Wacken?
Yeah, I know Wacken.
Yeah. And it's very huge.
Yeah.
It's very overcrowded.
How many people are in Wacken?
I have no idea. A lot.
Okay.
A lot.
So last year I was here and I met a couple of German people, and they said like when Wacken happens, it becomes the 3rd largest city in the north part of Germany.
Yeah. I think that's right.
Correct. Yeah.